Hello guys, welcome back to another new section. This is section 2 and this is graphic driver development. Our first video we're going to be talking about graphic drivers. The next video we're going to be binding our driver to graphics framework. We're going to be looking at some codes that will later on help us in our following section, in our other sections. And the third video we're going to be looking at addressing spaces and creating rules. The fourth video will be calling sequences, and the last video will be about conventions. We're going to be talking about the graphics driver in this video today. We have a CPU, a system memory, we have the graphics card, and we have the network hardware. And these are all linked to the bus. Now, computers are architectured the same way: a central processor and a number of peripherals. In order to exchange data, these peripherals interconnected by a bus over which all communication go to. As you can see where each communication goes to this bus over here. The first user, which is the CPU over here, is connected to the bus, and the second user is the system memory. The third user is the graphics card, and the last user is the network card. Now, the other things about this now is that it is not only the CPU that is able to write and read data to the peripherals. The peripherals themselves also have the capability to exchange information directly. A peripheral which has the ability to read and write to memory without the CPU interconvention is called a DMA, or you can call it a direct memory access that is capable. And the memory transaction is usually called the DMA, or the direct memory access. Let us move straight to our terminal. We need to understand about the DMA is this is a type of transaction, and it is very interesting because it allows our driver to use the GPU instead of the CPU to do memory transfers. Let us list the PCI resources on our Linux machine by doing the ls PCI with the -v, then enter. Now, by doing this will list the PCI on our systems. You can see we have the IO port at D24. You can scroll up and check it. You can see we have the kernel driver in use with the AHCI. And if we can scroll up, you see loads and tons of information about our Linux PCI resources and what this is actually telling us about our graphics driver.